welcome. Hello, creative artists, and welcome to another episode of Creative Skills Club. It is I, Diego, and today I'm joined by Adelaide and Sebastian. This is a special President's Day edition of Creative Skills Club where we are drawing
George Washington.
Yes, George Washington. This one's a little different because we're actually starting our drawing with pencil first. Then we're going to ink it with a pen. And finally, we are going to color it with our markers. So get your supplies and let's get started. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with George Washington. We are going to start with pencil in this video because we just want to give ourselves the option to erase in case we make a mistake.
Yes.
And then afterwards, we are going to ink it.
Okay.
So let's get started.
Okay.
And we are going to start in the middle of the page with like a rainbow shape.
Where
Like that.
do it right there?
Just a big arch. Like start in the middle. Start in the middle.
Right there?
Here.
Okay. Start right there.
Yep. Make an arch. And then next to it, leave about this much room next to it, and then make another arch, but more narrow this time. These are going to be his eyelids. See, it's a little bit more narrow. Make it a little skinnier, Yeah, perfect. All right. Next, we're going to make his eyes. And from this corner here, we're going to make a small arch like that. Start from here. We're working on this side.
I'm just going to leave that.
Okay.
Battery set.
And now from this side, we're going to do the same thing.
Wait, I'm still doing it.
Make an arch. Very small curve. All right, now from this corner here, we're going to go up and meet that line. Work from here.
Up and meet.
Like that.
Okay. Up and meet.
And now from
Like that?
here, we're going to go up about the same high as that one, so about that high. But we're going to go like this time. We're not going to meet it. We're going to go up and then back down. See that?
Only one. Is that good? Like that. This is.
Yeah, that's good.
And this. Okay.
Next, we are going to make his eyeballs, which are going to be just under the eyelid like this, and leave an eye sparkle in the corner. Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to put his nose in. And here in the middle, we're just going to make, like down here, we're going to make just a curve.
So right here?
Higher. Higher. Yes.
Wait, at that dot.
Yep.
There's too long? Or is that
No, that's okay.
like that?
Yeah. Now, that's the bottom of his nose. Now we're going to curve this way to put his nostril in. So it's like a little loop. It makes an S shape when you put it together.
Okay.
Okay. Now, the top of his nostril, we're going to put in like that. Okay. Next, we're going to curve the nose up to the, next to the eye. So we're going to curve it right there from the top.
What was it? Did you? You did like that.
Yeah. Okay. Next, we're going to do his mouth. And in all of his portraits, George Washington, he doesn't have a smile, but we're going to give him a smile because we want a happy George Washington.
Yep.
So from here, right under his nose, we're going to give him a bit of a smile. He's not super happy, but he's got a little bit of a smile.
Like that?
Sure. Yeah, good job. Okay, now his chin. right under his nose here, we're going to do just a straight line. Like that. Just under his nose, yeah? Straight line.
Kind of curved.
Nope. Straight.
Straight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, from the chin, we're going to go up a little bit. Just put a little bit of a curve on the chin going up. All right. Next, we're going to put an indication. No, let's not get there yet. Let's come in from this line here, this one here,
What one?
there. We're going to come in a little bit, just a little bit.
Like
Go in a little bit.
in.
Yeah, go in a little bit. And now we're gonna, from the chin, go out and up to that line.
Out.
Go like a L shape sort of, but I started at the chin, so you're gonna go out and up to right there.
Out.
And
No, that's too far.
a little too far. Yep, that's why we're doing pencil. Now, same thing on this side, but we're not going to go as high. We're going to go out and try to do the same thing that you did on this side. Out and up and stop just to the right of this eye.
Okay. Out and up.
Yep, stop right there. Okay, cool.
I'm gonna do that too far.
Huh?
I'm gonna do. Oh.
Just, yeah, you're fine. Now from here, we're gonna, if this was a straight line, follow it up, put a little bit of a forehead line right there. Yeah. And then from this part, we're gonna make another little line, just right there next to the eye. And now we're going to do the curve of his forehead. And think about how high you want to go. I'm going to go about that high. Lower.
Does it?
Yeah. Now join the forehead lines like that.
No.
With a curve.
The forehead.
Yep. With a curve. Okay. Now from this line that we made, go out. A straight line.
Out.
Yeah, like
We're
that.
gonna connect there.
And then make that one line's going to connect to that line.
It goes out and there. Like that? Is it?
Yes. Now, one of my favorite parts of George Washington's face are his rosy, rosy cheeks. So we are going to exaggerate that a little bit because this is a caricature. So I'm going to give him some nice, round, rosy cheeks.
I'm gonna color it.
Well, yes, we're going to color later. Right now, we're just doing the
And ink
line
it?
art. Yes, we're going to ink it.
After when we color it.
After we're finished drawing it, we're going to color it.
And then color it.
Yes.
After we ink it.
Yes, that's right.
Okay.
Okay, we got his face done.
Now what?
Now his hair. His super cool hair. And a lot of people think he was wearing a wig, but he actually was not. That was his real hair that he styled like that. So we're going to start down here by the cheek. Nope. Here by the cheek. We're going to kind of make a wiggly line up to about here, where his eye starts.
Right here?
Yeah.
This line?
Mm-hmm. Make a wiggly, wiggly line. Okay, stop. Then we're gonna make kind of like some loops, not loops, like some curves out,
Oh, how
half
did
curve.
this?
They like to curl their hair.
Wait,
At
how
the
did
bottom.
Oh, then you popped out right there.
Yeah. Yep.
Did you do 3?
Yes, I did
did
3.
three.
I did 3. Okay, now from there, we're going to come in a little bit and then go straight line very close to his forehead.
Wait, where do you connect?
No, you don't connect. We're just going to go by his forehead.
Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Super close.
Yeah. Okay. Next, we're going to do his
Connect it.
top of his head. No, we're not connecting it yet. We're going to
Oh,
go from the top of his head. I'm going to make a very light line so you can see. And it's going to come around, and that looks pretty good to me. Actually, I'm going to come closer to here. I'm going to come around and right around there.
Right around there.
There, yeah, right here. So this side of the hair's got to match the other side. So we're going to start from here, bottom of the cheek.
Do 2 lines?
Make a... What? No, start here.
Okay. And why'd you do 2 lines?
I'm going to erase that. Okay, while you do this, I'll erase. Do this line.
Well,
This one.
wiggly? Okay,
Yeah,
well,
wiggly,
connecting-
wiggly.
would you- Shaking. Does it connect?
Nope.
got
Now
so
we're going to
close.
connect it. So from here, same thing with the curves. These are his curls. Go slightly up. I'm going to do one on the back there. These are his curls. I think one side has way more curls than the other side.
Wait, I'm doing something. Oh, wait, I gotta do something. Raise that. Then do
Yeah, yours looks a little more even. I'm going to bring this line in a little bit because I think I left my curls too wide.
Did you do 4?
It doesn't matter how many, just till it looks good. Yeah, that's okay. And this I feel like maybe can come up a little higher. Actually, I'm going to do another one. Why not? Just to make it a little wider. Okay. Now that we got his head done, let's do his really cool clothing. So from the, no, well, the head, yes.
Yeah.
From the chin, like right here, just after the chin starts, make a straight line down.
Go straight line down. Okay.
Now just under his chin here, we're going to connect to here, like this. Go ahead.
Okay. And it goes like that.
Yeah. Now starting from there again, we're going to come over and then go down like that. Go over and down.
Over and down.
Yeah. Now make a little bit of an angle like that. A little bit of an angle forward. Yeah. Okay, now this part is going to be a long line. We're going to come down to about here. So think about it as an angle.
Okay,
Look at this line I'm about to make.
Wait, where
Go
did
higher. That's
Right.
very low.
Here?
There.
Wait, can I have the eraser? What, that close?
Yeah. That's gonna be his jacket.
Oh, because he's going like
Yeah.
like that.
And yeah, make that line. Now from here, I'm gonna do like his poofy, ruffly shirt.
Oh.
I'm gonna end it right there. So you want to end it at a point? So like make it. See how it gets smaller?
Oh yeah.
Make your ruffles. Look at it. They get smaller. They start
this
big and
good?
they go down. Yeah, that's good.
So I'm gonna do that.
You have to end at a point.
All
All right. Now this is gonna be his neck. Make a straight line down to this point here. See this point here? Make a straight line down to there. So we made this straight line.
Right
now.
here?
Yeah, straight line. That's his neck.
Line.
Yep, right there. All right. Now let's do a shoulder coming out
Shoulder. Okay.
and make. I think I made it went a little far. Make a line coming down.
Make a line coming down.
I think I made my shoulder a little wide, so I'm going to erase that line. Make a line coming down. Okay. No, you're okay. Now from here, we're gonna do the other side of his jacket. Right around here.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna go and down.
Right here.
Yeah, and down. Nah, you went too far down. I didn't go that far down.
Oh yeah. You didn't connect.
I did not connect. Now do his
Wait, I'm still doing it.
now do his other shoulder and a little line down. Yeah, good. Okay, now from that line, we're going to make a straight line to our point.
Okay, straight on to our point.
Yeah. And now from that point, we're going to make a straight line to that line.
Okay. There.
And next, we're going to do a couple buttons on his jacket. So there's one button there. And just a couple other buttons here.
I'm gonna put one here. You did one there. Then one right next to it. Then there. I'm gonna do it small buttons. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna open my eyes.
Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. We're ready to ink.
I'm opening my eyes.
Okay, while you finish that up, we're going to go ahead and get our inking started.
We just finished coloring our George Washington.
And
If you like this episode, make sure to go back and watch the Abraham Lincoln episode.
yeah, if you like our videos, please also remember to like and subscribe. And keep creating, and we'll see you on the next episode. Hey, great drawing. That was fun. Although, my cheeks are not that rosy. Martha, are my cheeks really that rosy?